dear friends. We welcome you to our channel. Today we will present you a review of popular haircuts for women. Please watch the video until the end, and maybe you will find the haircut you need. Top short haircuts for women over 50. Stylists always say that by choosing the right hairstyle, a woman may become 10, or even 15 years younger. At this age, ladies can safely experiment with their images, looking for something unusual. Let's review the most interesting short hairstyles for women over 50 with photos. Messy long undercut pixie. An undercut pixie is one of the best age-defying short hairstyles for women over 50. Tousled long pixie hairstyles have this youthful appeal and sassiness females over 50 are looking for. Sweep the bangs to any side for a chic effect. The layered haircut makes your mane appear fuller, while the side-swept fringe helps to neatly cover any forehead wrinkles. Dye your hair a light hair color or throw in some highlights for a trendy, picture-perfect look. Universal pixie with highlights. Pixie cuts are among short haircuts women that will never go out of style. Doesn't matter how old you are. Feel vibrant with this short hairstyle and add some highlights for additional dimension. Short layered bob with balayage. Layered short hairstyles with highlights bring you more texture and additional dimension. Give life to your hair and let it play with different shades of blonde or brown. Define the ends for an elegant flare. Stacked very short bob haircut. A modern twist on the classic short bob hairstyle, this female haircut works not only for thin hair but also for thick hair types. Here is a dazzling before and after picture evidence. The cute short bob haircut is a perfect short hairstyle for women over 50, especially those who are proud of their thick manes. The hair is cut short at the nape to enhance the model's neck length. The layered bangs swept to the side softly caress one side of her face, giving her this adorably cute look. Laconic gray pixie. The pixie is a wonderful and easy option for straight hair. In addition, this rejuvenating short haircut will go good with elegant facial features and a slim figure. Undercut gray pixie. Take advantage of volume and shape with one of the most beautiful short haircuts for women, the tapered pixie. Choose a shade of metallic gray for more glamour or simply stay true to your natural color. Save. Dear friends, when creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.